हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल ब्रांड हाउस। तो आज फिर से न्यू स्टॉक के साथ आपके सामने आ चुके हैं जसमीर सर भी। आइए आइए और जसमीर सर आपको न्यू स्टॉक बताएंगे जो कि नया इस बार आया।
जी देखिए ये सारा है एंड ये बिल्कुल ही ऑलमोस्ट न्यू स्टॉक है 95% to 98% यू गेट न्यू आर्टिकल्स। हम लोग वी ट्राई टू कीप द कलेक्शन एक वीकली कलेक्शन जो है बहुत वी ट्राई टू बैलेंस इट। थोड़े बहुत कागोज भी मिलेंगे आपको, डेनिम्स भी, टी शर्ट्स, पोलोज, एवरीथिंग। सो वी गेट अ लिटिल मिनी कलेक्शन एवरी वीक। बेस्ट ऑफ बेस्ट हम लोग लेकर आते हैं फ्रॉम वेरियस सोर्सेज। मोस्ट ऑफ देम लाइक हमने आपको बताया कि दे आर लाइक यूरोपियन एक्सपोर्ट्स और साउथ अमेरिकन और कनाडा के एक्सपोर्ट्स होते हैं। सो वी गिव यू ऑथेंटिक प्रोडक्ट्स। प्राइसिंग हम आपको बताएंगे व्हाट्सएप पे। सेल के आइटम्स के प्राइसेस हमने डिस्क्लोज किया लास्ट टाइम और इससे पहले भी दैट सेल हैपेंस वंस इन 15 days, so we will give you the price there. Over here you can ask us on WhatsApp. We feel free and we'll ship the product to you. Yeah, you got the numbers there, we'll ship it to you. So thank you, and I there are lots of nice articles. I request you to watch the video in the end. So thank you so much.
वीडियो का एंड तक देखें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन आती रहे हमारी जैसे ही वीडियो न्यू अपलोड होती है। और लाइक करें, शेयर करें
बिल्कुल।
और नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में सब कुछ दिया हुआ है, एड्रेस वगैरह। कुछ भी चाहिए आपको, कोई इंक्वायरी करनी हो तो डिस्क्रिप्शन वाले आप लोकेशन पे आ भी सकते हो।
And एक और बात, for customers who want to visit, the best time is 6 to 9 in the evening. 6 बजे से लेके 9 बजे, क्योंकि एक्सट्रीम हीट है। We would suggest if you want to come. अगर दिन में आना चाहते हैं तो बता सकते हैं व्हाट्सएप पे, that can also be managed, but preferred time is 6 to 9. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
First we'd like to show you cargo bottoms. This is super dry. It's
Slim fit.
CRG slim fit. ये देखिए CRG cargo. It's the Rookie cargo from Superdry.
100% ओरिजिनल होने वाला है।
Original. This is not any other country. It's made in India. Shipment. And the sizes slim fit mentioned here.
ये टैग टू भी है।
Tags,
Pack
everything
shipment.
authentic. Pack shipment. Beautiful piece. You see the lovely pockets here. Small little pockets. Lovely wash. The fabric is really crazy. It's got 2 sexy pockets in front. ये बहुत rare है आपको जो ये जो 2 pockets है ना over here, right in front. So it's 6 pocket cargo. That's a size 30.
न्यू स्टाइल है, साइड पॉकेट नहीं है इसमें। सुपर ड्राई।
So we'll do the. I think the measurement should be actual.
हाँ, ट्रू टू साइज होते हैं।
It's 31. 30 लिखा है.
50
31.
30 को आएगा मतलब।
पीछे से एक बार दिखाइए. Beautiful design there. And
ये देखिए।
ये crumpled आता है तो it's little crumpled. You can iron it also. So 6 pocket cargo with 2 lovely front pockets.
ऐसे आते हैं
जी.
30 से लेकर के
नहीं, इस कलर में एक ही सिंगल पीस है. 31.
सिंगल पीस
So we'll show you.
31
There are more colors in sizes.
30
हम आपको
30
दिखा देंगे.
31 को आएगा।
This is
30 वेस्ट
lovely
से
steel gray.
ये तो ब्यूटीफुल कलर, स्लिम फिट अगेन, सेम आर्टिकल, कलर इज स्टील ग्रे, टैग टूग सब कुछ है वही है सेम, पॉकेट्स वगैरह।
Yeah, you can see quite big pockets here in front. है ना? Fabric इसका बहुत crazy है, so it's stretchable and very nice. And you've got the label on the pocket. Got the label on the pocket, and your front pockets here. So again, all these are Rookie cargo, super dry Rookie
ओरिजिनल
cargo.
कार्गो।
Yeah, all with tags, shipment pack condition. Sizes I don't think need to be measured. They are as is because
32 है।
super dry is like Indian sizing. 32.
घुमाना बैक साइड।
So that's the article. We are not opening everything. We have another
32
32 here.
ऐसे पैक मिलेगा आपको 32।
32. जल्दी से हम दिखा देते हैं आपको.
ये आपको यहीं पे दिखा दो।
ये पूरा है. This is what?
6 पीसेस है।
Yeah, 30, 32, 34, 36 and 38. So we have all the sizes.
132 to
Yeah.
ये सारे
So
साइज
this entire blister, we can give you all sizes in that color. Now we are coming out with another color. We just see this is the way it's packed. ये shipment जब जाती है, that's the way the orange thread. इसको हम खोल देते हैं आपके सामने. And it's a lovely.
ये क्रश्ड ही पहना जाता है वैसे,
crushed.
क्योंकि ये
Most youngsters love to wear it crushed.
क्या है ये
It can be ironed as well. It's a lovely piece there. You can see the color is lovely. It's
Olive
light
green.
olive green.
Super
लाइट,
dry.
वो थोड़ा डार्क था पहले वाला, ये लाइट है. So very nice summer article,
style
very thin
pockets.
fabric. This is not thick. It's not a winter article. All summer. हम लोग we're getting stuff, keeping in mind that it's extreme summer, so we're getting you all summer articles. Sub authentic sizes. इसमें again I think are going to be the
रफ
same.
जीन्स है ये थोड़ी,
ये देखिए 30 भी है इसमें.
रफ कार्गो, ये क्रस्टी अच्छी लगती है पहनने
So
में.
again we are showing you and last में हम एक एक पीस. You can
हाँ,
focus
सभी
on the
sizes है
blister.
इसमें.
हाँ, इसमें ये देखिए ये size.
एक 32 के, इसमें 34 है, 36 है, 38 40 नहीं है.
40 नहीं है. And this is done. Another blister. So now
अब एक और कलर है,
the third color comes like this.
जस्ट ओपन इट.
We'll open it and show you. Yeah. Yeah. A beautiful beige color. Six pocket summer cargo. Check it out.
दिस इज
Piece there.
फ्रंट व्यू,
Front and back.
दिस इज रियर व्यू.
And now वो तीनों color लिया. We'll show you all the colors together.
इस कलर का क्या नाम है इसमें?
इसमें भी है. You can show the sizing here. तो
नहीं,
इसमें 32, 34,
साइजिंग
36.
सेम ही है सबकी. 32 एक, 34 के दो और 36, 38 भी है इसमें.
ये देखिए. These are basically the three colors. ऐसे खोल के भी
इस
दिखा.
कलर का क्या नाम है, कौन सा कलर है?
This is a beige है. Beige या खाकी you can say, है ना? इस पे लिखा होगा टैग पे, उसका कलर कोड होगा, है ना? So these are the colors you can see. And
ये
वो
तीन
भी
color
दिखाओ. हाँ, ये ग्रे. So these three colors 30 to 38.
ये नया कलर है, ये वाला सबसे यूनिक कलर है.
So beautiful articles. You can सारे sizes हैं. The dark olive
Three
green
colors
we just
है.
have a 31.
ये ऑलिव ग्रीन है, ठीक है.
हाँ, ये light olive green, इसमें सारे colors हैं. So
इनमें सारे साइजेस है.
36, 38 available in these three colors. ये लीजिए. Okay, now this you can focus. This is a beautiful article.
Look at this first. G Star
Okay, the good thing about it is the zip.
32.
It's vertical. It has lovely pockets. This is a unique article. ये देखिए, vertical zip, 2 vertical zips, and lovely fabric.
18,000.
Yeah, almost 18,000 per MRP. You can see the label there and lovely pockets, lovely wash, and the vertical zip. आप दूर से देखेंगे तो it looks very very classy. These vertical zips there. So mostly सब में horizontal आते हैं, इसमें vertical है. Vertical is very rare. It's got these 2 pockets here again on top, and 2 big pockets here. ये देखिए. Look at the space in. काफी space है इसके अंदर. You can open this pocket from 2 sides with the zip and the pocket on top. So article अच्छा है. Color is a blue. It's not a dull blue. It's a neat and clean shipment pack article. 2 pockets at the back. And authentic shipment, probably European shipment. ये देख सकते हैं आप.
और नीचे भी
These
है.
are no imitations और
नीचे आपको स्ट्रिंग है, कसने के टाइट करना है अगर
बिल्कुल. ये यूरोपियन शिपमेंट के सैंपल.
तो टाइट कर
इसके
सकते हैं
साइजेस
इसको.
हम आपको बता देंगे. क्या है साइज?
32.
32 and this is a 36.
36
Same thing in 36
और
and we got a
34.
so there's a 34, 36
32,
and a 30.
32, 34, 36.
Yeah.
Three colors are there.
Okay, now so G-Star we've got those 3 in blue, just one color.
G Star, Ralph Lauren.
G-Star.
हाँ, ये
वो हो
this
गया
is
ना?
this one is Ralph Lauren.
This is Ralph Lauren.
Price is 38.
38 shipment pack condition. ये देखिए, almost 12,000, almost 12,000 का article. Beautiful wash. You can see inside. Yeah. Single sampling piece.
Ralph Lauren.
So that's 38. We'll measure it for you. It's a lovely tan color. इसको कहते हैं tan. And it's got a nice little work there. And stretchable. Shipment pack condition, neat, clean, fresh. Single piece. You can quickly order. Summer chinos. Perfect. 39. Sorry,
38.
38. And the base. You can measure the base for you because single piece है. So the base I think should be 7.5.
Not be slim, not
or
straight.
8. Yeah.
It's
Eight.
regular fit है.
Okay, now these articles in Kenneth Cole We got smaller sizes. That's
Slim
a 30.
fit. Kenneth Cole. 30 waist.
It's got elastic at the back,
Yeah.
and it's got 2 pockets there.
Back with
And
दो pocket है.
this is a, ये भी size बताइए क्या है? 32 है? 32.
ये देखो.
पहले हम आपको बॉटम
Kenneth
दिखा रहे
Cole.
हैं। ये भी शिपमेंट पैक कंडीशन में है।
30,
पीछे से
32.
stretch है।
दो साइजेस अवेलेबल है.
Slim fit, stretch, grey, steel grey.
32
Okay, RL Polo, 32,
और
US shipment, and the size is 33. Length आपको अच्छा खासा मिल जाएगा इसमें।
41, 42 हो जाता है लेंथ.
जी, ये देखिए। It's got a cream look. ये सब linen pads। शुरू में हम आपको bottoms दिखा रहे हैं। Size should be what?
H&M.
34. 34 we measure it. A single piece there. Yeah, 34.
34 में लोअर मिरर है आपको वो भी लिनन.
Okay. And we got Zara linen pants, ankle length, slightly crushed. We are going to give you a good price on it. 17.
And a
That's 34. 17 and a half, 34,
35
36.
36 जाएगा क्योंकि स्ट्रेच है
So
इसमें.
lovely cream color.
ऊपर से खींचना. हाँ स्ट्रेच है. 36 को भी आएगा ये.
ठीक है, with drawstring.
34 प्लस को आएगा. 34 को भी नहीं
Zara
लूज आएगा.
Yeah, beautiful piece, lovely
Wow.
wash, diesel.
डीजल ब्रांड की ट्राउजर.
And this is 31.
32
31, max 32,
31.
lovely wash.
30 31
31, yeah. And very nice article. You can see.
20 के 1 इंच का ये भी होता है थिक.
जी ये देखिए ये अंदर से. You can scan this and everything. Authentic shipment.
बटनों पे भी.
Very expensive article.
Diesel
My
की
guess
brand
is almost
Look at this
180 200 euros for this article. So this is very nice.
style.
article. A lovely wash. It's got a sand
Slim
wash
fit.
on it, and it's got this lovely loop at the back, thick loop. So just one piece in that, 31 and
30,
a half.
31
Can be worn, 32 can be worn. Now this article I'd like you to focus here because these are drawstring pants, linen drawstring chinos. Shipment pack condition. We'll unwrap this in front of you. Yeah, neat and clean. And these are drawstring pants. Very nice, classy
Look at this
drawstring.
regular fit, not slim not straight,
Yeah,
regular 36 waist
beautiful
string.
article. You see, yeah.
बटन. और ये देखिए हाथ उठाइए. ये टॉमी की ब्रांडिंग.
And it's linen fabric, is linen.
फैब्रिक तो बहुत awesome है.
Very awesome fabric, very nice cut, shipment pack condition.
अंदर से तो और भी सॉफ्ट है.
बहुत soft fabric है, crazy है. ये देखिए, look at the lovely wash care inside. These are all
टॉमी हिलफिगर
again
जीन्स.
European shipment, I guess. Yes, this is again European shipment. 36 is mentioned. And probably if you see the date,
प्लास्टिक
24,
इसमें चमक रहा है कुछ.
2024,
Iron
current
Man.
new shipment, brand new European shipment. You can quickly order this. Limited pieces. You can see the button.
टॉमी
Focus, lovely, beautiful button.
Perfect.
So हर चीज में you'll get it. Showroom condition में है. Drawstring pants. Now these are not ordinary pants. These are drawstring. The cut, the fabric, they are really nice. So these are like. This is a 38.
36
36. Sorry. 36. And we'll measure the
36
base
है.
for you. लिखा क्या है उधर? 36 ही लिखा है. Okay. And the base is 8.
हाँ, ये
And the length is no issue because it's European. काफी length वो 6 feet plus के लिए
40 प्लस ही है. 40 41
So
होती है.
हमने आर्टिकल आपको दिखा दिया. ये साइज हम
42.
आपको बता देते हैं. 34 भी है इसमें.
34
36, 34 and a
32.
Just one color, 3 sizes.
32 34 और 36 वाले ऑर्डर करें.
Okay, another very nice article. These are called denim jeans Wander pants. WANDER Wander pants. It's a American article. Shipment pack. It's not
Element.
shipment pack. It's export surplus. The factory has cut the label.
एलिमेंट
Element is the label. We'll zoom it again. And these are called Wander denim jeans.
मेरी
So
नहीं
they
लिया.
are relaxed, and you can see them on the American sites in the caption. Ridul will show you. And that's the push button. So very unique article. ये हर जगह आपको मिलेगा नहीं.
और
बहुत
ये
मुश्किल से मिला है. ये
ये
current
लोगो है
shipment.
इसका.
जी ये पॉकेट पे है. Yeah, element लिखा है. And lovely wash and very relaxed. And we'll measure the sizes. इसमें very few samples we've got. See, this is a 34
एंड हाउ
34 plus stretch. इसमें होता है 2 इंच stretch और
36 पहन सकता है मतलब इसको
है ना?
36
So lots of room in this pocket. You can, I think you can put a bag of 1 kg rice inside this. This is a lovely design. So huge pocket,
बाहर से पता लग रहा है कितनी बड़ी
huge
pocket
pocket. That's the style. So very stylish. You can quickly order. I'll show you the sizes in this. वो हमने नापा था 36. ये नाप के ये साइज है क्या? Large. Again another 36.
है 34 to 36
ये क्या है? Medium.
32 to 34
34. Yeah. Okay, ये
30
देखिए ये क्या है? Small. Medium.
32 to 34
Medium. I think medium should be a 32.
to 34
32 to 34. So basically all sizes there. Yeah, that's 32. Length इसका पूरा है. The base is quite broad, and this is the way it is on the site. Exact article 8.5.
8.5
8.5. So very relaxed, very stylish article. आप जल्दी से इसको order कर सकते हैं. इसमें एक और piece है. ये बताइए क्या size है? Medium. Again another medium. So basically 32 to 36, 38 है.
34 के 3 है
जी. एंड अब हम आते हैं और बॉटम्स हैं
ये जो है
ये
बाम है
ब्यूटीफुल प्रोडक्ट स्ट्रेट फिट
स्ट्रेट फिट है
स्ट्रेट फिट
बाम एंड पेरिस 32 वेस्ट पैक शिपमेंट अच्छा देखिए आप
the lovely B embossed there. It was label here and stretchable. Very nice stretch.
color is very unique and very nice
Unique color, design. The article is एकदम fresh है, clean है.
is washed there
Yeah,
everything
everything is intact
is original
and
Balmain.
a very nice product. It's got a nice little logo there. You can see here even
they
on
are
the
small
yeah. So we'll measure the
32.
waist. I think it's 32, but we'll still measure
32.
because your European shipment hoga to
33 भी
could be a 33. But we are going to measure the waist, the base. This is very important.
8.5
Almost 9, because these are wide. These are not wide leg. They are like relaxed, comfort fit, straight fit jeans.
yeah
So 9 is the base. 9 is the base. Beautiful article. This size we've shown you. क्या size है बताएं?
33
33. Okay, now the sizes. The same product. We have all the sizes. Sizes बताइए. इसमें 36 है. 36.
36 37 तक जाएगा ये
ये देखिए. I think this is
30.
this.
30 होगा
I think
32
you've shown this to the viewers. The card and everything looks really nice. And
30.
ये देखिए 30 लिखा है.
31 तक जाएगा
और 30 का बेस हम देखना चाहेंगे. व्यूअर्स वुड आल्सो लाइक टू नो व्हाट इज द बेस ऑफ 30. तो एक अंदाज़ा लग जाएगा. ऑलमोस्ट लिटिल लेस देन 9.
सेम ही है
सो या
गवर्नमेंट टू वेयर इसकी वेस्ट वेस्ट मेजर करना
इसकी वेस्ट दिखाएं.
30 31 जा रहा है 32 जा रहा है
32. 30 is a 32.
31 32 कैन बी रेट
31 32. Yeah.
30 भी पहन सकते हैं बेल्ट लगा के
Straight fit. Very limited shipment pack condition. Quickly
34
order viewers.
35 सभी एक एक पीसेस अवेलेबल है 36 बाद में पेरिस
Okay, now this is
डीजल
beautiful article. You can see slightly. I think it's flared.
या
Slightly flared at the bottom, rugged, and lovely wash. And there you can see beautiful shipment pack
36
condition. Yeah,
बटन में डीजल
ये देखिए, ये दिखाइए, ये Diesel Industries. You see this, made in India, and that's the fit. That's a regular fit. And that's the design at the back. So stretchable. So आगे से दिखाइए. इसका size हम नापना चाहेंगे. This is about a 36. 36 rugged hai and slightly flared at the bottom. 36 is the size. 9.5 at the bottom. So just one single piece, you can quickly order that. Now in this article, ये देखिए,
बॉम एंड पेरिस, ये भी
different color.
स्लाइटली नीचे से बूट कट है और रेगुलर बॉम एंड पेरिस। सामने आप देखोगे तो इस पे ये लोगो है बॉम एंड पेरिस का पूरा।
और
बूट कट है
इसका
ना?
flare, I think it's slightly flared,
हम्म,
if not straight या flared है। ये देखते हैं अभी। 36 है ये शायद, है ना? This is about a 9,
9
slightly more than 9.
36
36. So ये पीछे से दिखाइए, ये देखिए, ये हटाइए, ये beautiful. This has got a cloth, उसमें leather था. So ये style is slightly different. It's got this metal here as well. ये देखिए, it's got this metal badge over there and a beautiful
Baume
bee
and Paris.
embossed. So ये दूर से दिखाइए, it's a slight flared, beautiful product, single piece. You can quickly order. Blue में हमारे पास sizes है, black में this has got more stretch, more elastic in this. So एक ही piece है इसमें.
वर्साचे
Yeah. वो
स्ट्रेट
Versace jeans couture.
स्ट्रेट फिट,
ये
स्ट्रेट बैगी
देखिए,
फिट।
Look at this beautiful little patch there and a lovely wash. It's a different color. ये rare color है. I mean, it's got copper and this bluish grey mix. So and it's got this copper thread
लेडी
and नीचे से I think it's a straight parallel fit है, straight fit है. Because all these luxury brands are coming up with straight fit. You can see the thing inside, beautiful, and the work at the back. See
Oh,
this
look at the
beautiful
pocket.
little label and this work on the pocket.
वर्साचे।
ये देखिए, ये pocket is slightly, they are same, yeah, same, but यहाँ पे there is thread work, embroidery work. Versace. And the fabric is stretch. We'll measure everything in this because it's a super luxury article. Single piece है, 36, and इसका जो base है, I think should be 9.
प्लस
More than 9, 9.5. So this, viewers, at the bottom, ये इसका style है. It's got a worn out
रग्ड
thing.
स्टाइल दोनों
Rugged
साइड है।
at the bottom. That's the style.
यहाँ
दूर
यहाँ
से
भी
एक
है,
बार दिखाइए.
यहाँ भी
ये
rugged है।
देखिए, ये भी इतना अच्छा Versace jeans couture. So you can quickly order just one piece. Okay. D squared.
डी स्क्वायर 2
Rugged article.
स्टाइल स्लिम फिट टाइप है।
Lot of work on this. You can see a lot of work. It's slim fit. The thighs are little. You know, we'll measure the thighs and the base for you. Thighs is 10. The base is 6.5. So that's the style. Everything is rugged and stretchable. It's a very luxury article there. Just single piece. You can see the buttons. Check out everything. That's the stuff here. Wash care intact. Everything made. This is lovely piece. Overall, lots of work on it. ये आगे से दिखाइए. You can see the patch here. DSQ2 Brothers. Yeah? Red patch. And
रग्ड जीन है।
rugged, a lot of work on it, and it's a super luxury article again. So this is
36.
36. Should even a 34 can fit into this. You can manage this because yes, slim fit.
ये देखिए डीजल स्ट्रेट फिट डीजल
A
ब्रांड
dark blue color.
डार्क ब्लू कलर। ये रंग विद वॉश केयर।
A lovely tan label at the back, these three lines,
34 waist.
you know, the thread embossed here, and ये straight fit है. इस आर्टिकल में आई थिंक वी हैव मोस्टली ऑल द साइजेस, तो आप केयरफुली इसको देख सकते हैं बिकॉज देन वी रन थ्रू द साइजेस. प्राइसिंग मेंशन्ड है $90 फॉर दिस आर्टिकल. ब्यूटीफुल पीस,
प्राइस होगा
डीजल डेनिम प्लस स्वेट पैंट्स. सो द फैब्रिक इज लाइक स्वेट पैंट काइंड ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी होगा इसके अंदर. सो ऑलमोस्ट $100 का आर्टिकल है, आप देख सकते हैं. बाहर की शिपमेंट है. नीट एंड क्लीन, लवली कलर. And the sizes we will quickly measure and tell you the size.
वेस्ट 34 लिखा है,
34 लिखा है?
लेंथ
Okay, then
30.
we'll measure it for you again. Yeah, 34 is slightly more than 34. So now
34
we'll quickly tell you the sizes. ये sizes बताइए. I think its sizes are mentioned here. See, 32, 132, 234, 136, 138.
Yeah.
Those are the sizing
ऐसा करो,
available in this. है ना? So same style, so we are not opening each and every piece. ये सबसे छोटा साइज है. ये साइज बता दीजिए ये क्या है. 32 लिखा है यहाँ पे.
32 सेम.
32.
या
Yeah, 32. So beautiful piece. You can quickly order this. Just one color in that. 32 to size 38.
बॉस, हुगो बॉस 34
With a lovely metal logo.
स्ट्रेट, सम रेगुलर फिट, मेटल लोगो,
Okay,
स्टाइलिश.
these denims we'll have to measure them because we don't want any returns or exchanges. It
34.
is a nuisance for the customer as well. So we're
34.
measuring each and every article. 34. With
रेगुलर
this metal-
फिट, नॉट स्ट्रेट नॉट स्लिम.
Yeah, regular. Next article.
काल लेगर फिट, स्ट्रेट फिट.
Carl. Again straight.
34
34.
काल लेगर फिट.
So a light blue.
काल
Jet black. CK.
जेट ब्लैक, स्लिम फिट.
Slim. Yeah. This is slim stretch. Jet black. And 32. पीछे से दिखाइए.
32 वेस्ट.
32 आई थिंक इसमें स्ट्रेच के साथ 34 भी चला जाता है. ये lot
32
of stretch there. इसको स्ट्रेच करिए एक बार.
एक बार मेजर करना,
because without stretch it's 32.
विदाउट स्ट्रेच मेजर करने के बाद
ये देखिए 33 स्ट्रेच करिए. हाँ, it's going
34
34
को आएगा.
34 plus.
परफेक्ट फॉर 34. और एमआरपी आप देख सकते हैं. और फैब्रिक बहुत ही अच्छा है इसका, सॉफ्ट सीके की ब्रांडिंग.
Okay. Yeah.
प्राडा
Boot cut.
बूट कट, कट. 34 इज द वेस्ट. मेटल लोगो यहाँ पे प्राडा का.
Very classy jeans. Very very nice.
वो ये प्राडा की प्राडा मिलानो.
ये पीछे
प्राडा पे लोगो सिंबल.
इसका स्टाइलिंग बहुत ही क्रेजी है और यहाँ पे एक
Little boot
स्लिट
cut.
है. आई थिंक लास्ट टाइम भी हमने आपको दिखाया था. इसमें सिर्फ एक पीस बचा है. वी गॉट अनदर न्यू पीस इन दिस. सो दिस इज
34 वेस्ट.
34 waist.
ब्लैक शेडेड और स्लिम फिट, रेगुलर. ये देखिए इम्पोरियो अरमानी. इसका बटन निकला हुआ है थोड़ा सा.
इसको भी स्पेशल डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा.
इसका बटन
Because
निकाल
ये
दिया है,
बटन जो है
फैक्ट्री से निकाल दिया है, बड़ा था.
यू नो व्यूअर्स कैन जस्ट रिप्लेस इट. इसका स्पेशल डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. पीस ऑथेंटिक है, इम्पोरियो अरमानी है. ये देखिए जीए जॉर्जियो अरमानी.
ये मेटल लोगो छोड़.
Beautiful piece and lovely wash. You can see the denim is very light and
ओरिजिनल है, छुड़ा दिया
बिल्कुल.
बटन के ऊपर का, इसमें ब्रांडिंग हुई थी.
इसका I think 34 size है.
या
Yes.
34.
34 yeah 34. Base इसका slim है, slim straight. बहुत ज़्यादा slim भी नहीं है but we'll measure it for you.
7.
7 yeah.
7
अब लोअर्स आ गए हैं. लुक एट द लोअर बॉस. ड्राई फिट मटेरियल.
Very nice material. You can see
Original
the
Boss.
zip in the corner,
Go Boss.
on the side, and right in the right thigh. It's got this beautiful print,
Size medium.
and यहाँ पे it's got
32 to
this
34.
ये देखिए. Very very lovely article, shipment pack condition. Again, probably European exports. ये देखिए, stretchable,
Organic cotton.
organic cotton.
This is
वेरी वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट. यू कैन व्यूअर्स, 2 ही पीस हैं इसमें, जल्दी से ऑर्डर करिए बिकॉज ये बार बार नहीं मिलते हैं ऐसे आर्टिकल. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल आर्टिकल, समर आर्टिकल.
मेरी में
इसका
32
straight है.
32 34 तक बस.
विदाउट स्ट्रेच क्या है?
15 14 15 तक
ये
हो
देखिए
जाएगा.
इनके. अब ये स्ट्रेच करिए. कंफर्ट स्ट्रेच इज 34
32
और भी जाएगा. 34 32 34 को
32 को परफेक्ट आएगा. 34
मीडियम होगा. 32 34 मैक्स. It'll go up to 36. 36 के लिए comfortable नहीं होगा. 32 34 single piece, beautiful article, black. You can see the work there. Base, इसका जो base है, it is straight and open, and we will measure the base for you also. ये देखिए, इसका base जो है 8.5 है. So very nice article and summery article, very thin fabric.
कंफर्टेबल लोअर.
Okay, this is a size bigger, I think. उस article से this must be a large.
34 36.
34 36. Yeah, this is खींचे. Yeah, see it's going up to
पर कंफर्टेबल 34 36 को
36. Yeah, 36, 37 easily can jump into these pants. So these are very nice lowers. Quickly you can order these.
ओनली 2 शॉर्ट्स.
Nice
32
shorts
waist,
from United
top
Kingdom,
man.
UK, European shipment. You can see the those are the various currencies.
अराउंड
Pounds,
3000
euros.
एमआरपी होगी.
So very nice,
More than 3,000.
premium article. You can see this. Lovely, very nice stitching and design.
कंफर्टेबल मटेरियल. सोल
These are
पॉकेट
like
है.
very nice
String.
British shorts. Topman is the
बटन.
brand.
3 चीजें हैं.
And size 32.
Yes.
And in this we have a 32 again. इसमें stretch भी है. 1 inch stretch होगा.
दिस इज द सेकंड कलर.
And this is a 34 in this lovely blue.
34.
34. Now viewers, in these Clima Cool shorts,
Of
we have
Adidas
all sizes, medium to double XL.
Adidas
These two
brand
are the two colors. Original Clima Cool shorts.
of
You
Adidas.
can see, lovely fabric, very good for the heat.
Dry
We'll
fit
give you a
type.
very good price for these shorts. We've got all sizes available. These two shorts.
These are the shirts.
Shirts, lovely label. This logo, you know, it's a factory sample piece, so it's not got the tag up there. But from the
Fabric
logo,
is
we
well.
can make out the brand is La Martina.
Lama.
Lama.
So these horses, you know, it's a Latin American brand, La Martina. Fabric is very nice, and my guess is it's a medium size. So we'll measure it for you because it's sampling piece है, इसमें label कुछ है नहीं.
40.
Yeah,
40
20 and a
का
half, 41.
40 को
इसमें
आएगा.
t-shirt fabric है, which is not woven, it's knit, so stretchable है इसमें. इसमें stretch है, 1 inch stretch, comfortable stretch. So lovely white piece, La Martina full sleeve shirt, 40, 41, max 42. Can stretch up to 42, 40 to 42. Olymp, European brand.
Medium.
इसका winter wear भी आता है.
40 feet.
A lovely double breast half shirt again in that's the logo, again in t-shirt fabric which is knit. नीचे से दिखाइए. Lovely mint green.
Medium shirt. H&M.
H&M
With
linen
stripes.
shirt,
42.
a linen
Chest.
stripe shirt. Yeah, what's the size? 42?
Medium.
I think it should be a 42.
Scotch and soda printed.
Lovely
Medium.
fabric there. Fabric is really cool.
40 42.
ये डिजाइन आजकल बहुत चलते हैं. You can see Scotch and Soda is the label.
Fabric is
The
cotton.
best shirts, lovely
Viscose plus cotton.
viscose cotton. So the fabric is nice, the design is nice. Shipment pack condition हटाइए. And wash care hai? Yes. See the wash care. So all quality
Golden
checks.
wash
It's gone
care.
through 4 quality checks. Shipment pack condition. Viewers, you can quickly order. Size बताइए जल्दी से. Medium. That's a medium. Medium should be, एक मिनट बताते हैं आपको, 41 के आसपास, 41, 42. Yeah. That's 21.
40 42
इसमें एक और कलर है, ये कलर दिखाओ.
small
स्मॉल
38 40 scotch and soda.
Okay, another medium in this.
मीडियम भी है इसमें
Medium भी है.
40 41 42
And a large in this red print.
42 to 43
All half shirts, holiday
44
shirts. Okay.
So this ragman डबल पॉकेट डेनिम टाइप लुक देगी आपको, पर है नहीं, इतनी हैवी नहीं है, लाइट है. ब्यूटीफुल शर्ट,
Cotton है.
ब्यूटीफुल कॉटन
And
शर्ट,
it's
कीप
got
काम.
these vertical stripe work. Yeah. Ragman is the brand, American brand. इसके टी-शर्ट्स भी आते हैं और भी पूरे रेंज आते हैं. They sell in America, United States. अब इसका साइज जो है इज मीडियम. आगे करिए, इसको नापते हैं एक बार. डबल पॉकेट, वेरी क्लासी शर्ट, समर शर्ट.
42
Can be worn in
is
summer.
the chest.
Size is goes up to 44. Comfortable for a 42.
42
42, 43, yeah.
perfect for 42.
So just one piece, viewers, olive green, very classy shirt. You can order. Olymp, another color.
medium same size.
Size
42.
42.
Yeah,
42. Yeah. Okay. This again a beautiful color.
look at this beautiful color.
And again knit fabric. The fabric is knit,
New clothing
which
company.
means t-shirt kind of fabric.
Slim fit, medium 41 42 is the chest measurement. लिनन इस बार काफ़ी है.
जी. अब ये देखिए, ये शिपमेंट पैक कंडीशन में है. Beautiful linen shirt, Tommy Hilfiger,
Tommy Hilfiger.
and with these are exports to America. You can see the tag there. Tag में ये देखिए 69, 70,
8000 MRP.
70. Perfect shipment pack condition. We'll unwrap it in front of you.
Regular fit.
Regular fit. And
Medium.
a beautiful piece. You see, we are just unwrapping in front of you. Neat, clean, fresh article. Linen, 100% linen. So viewers, very limited pieces. Very nice article. इस condition में बहुत rare मिलता है. अभी का shipment है with all accessories. This is June 2024 का shipment है to the US.
इसमें
नाप के
button है
हम
शायद.
आपको दिखा देते हैं. ये देखिए कितना classy.
बटन्स है इसमें 2-3.
Everything showroom condition है. This is absolutely neat, clean, fresh. ये देखिए with intact wash care and everything. You can even probably see it's made for 2024. ये manufacturing date है.
11/23 में बना था ये.
Yeah. So
Fresh
ये
article
24 के लिए बना है. Summer article for 24. That's the manufacturing date.
40.
So medium is a 40.
Perfect 40.
And now we can show you the size. We can
Not
now make a guess ki what
That's
large is going to be.
42.
Large will be 42. Another large.
42.
See, even the poly has everything is intact. There's a double XL also.
ऐसे मिलेगा आपको. अनकट डबल एक्सएल 46, स्मॉल 38. Look at this
XL.
XL.
So viewers, all sizes
44.
from 38 to 44, 46 in Tommy Hilfiger. Linen shirt. You can quickly order. Shipment pack condition. Now, half holiday shirt, lovely pineapple print.
Zara Man.
Zara Man. Size बताइए.
साइज
Medium.
मेड इन तुर्की है.
साइज मीडियम
Medium. We'll quickly measure this. It's a casual shirt.
40
Goes up to
40.
max 41. No, sorry, 21. Okay. Stretchable.
Zara Man slim
This
fit.
is stretchable. I think no. This doesn't. This has slim fit, but no, it doesn't have stretch. But the fabric is very
42.
nice.
42
के आसपास.
ये this सिंगल पॉकेट
Single pocket tummy.
XL 44
Yeah, Island Madras.
44 45
Yeah, so that's a bigger size. Now, Brook Brothers, a very nice fabric and color and design. You can see focus on the logo.
you can
100% authentic. ये बाहर का shipment है. ये देखिए.
made in Malaysia cotton
Size XL.
44 plus
It's made in Malaysia for various countries. ये देखिए. Fabric is nice. Everything is nice. We'll measure the size for you. Single article. Quickly measure the size. XL लिखा है. And this size is 23, 46.
44 to 46
46. Yeah, it doesn't have a they've cut the wash kit.
वॉश के कट है इसका लिवाइस वाइट
Should be a 40.
ब्यूटीफुल वाइट
39,
फैब्रिक
40.
कॉटन थिक कॉटन 92
Oxford
सेंटीमीटर
cotton, yeah.
मेड इन इजिप्ट
So
Slim
Egyptian
fit.
viewers, Egyptian
42.
cotton is one of the best cottons in the world. You can even Google it. सबसे best cotton होता है. उसके बाद इंडिया आता है. So this fabric is going to be really nice. Thick Oxford है, but nice summer article. Single piece है. ये दिखाइए.
रैल्फ लॉरेन XL लिखा है
XL, but it's a
Comes to-
custom fit if you see. So
क्लासिक फिट है
classic है? Okay, classic. So classic is also a little big. So let's see.
48 तक जाएगा
It
ये
should be a big size. It's
48 है ना
8.
What?
Oh yeah.
50 प्लस
50 plus.
52
That's a big size. 52. Lovely piece, but big size. Okay, this is a lovely color. You can see this. Blue and white parallel stripes.
look at
And,
this
lovely.
stripes.
Contrast logo there. The
Green
green
color.
looks really nice. It's standing out.
मीडियम लिखा है comes to 42
Yeah. So it's standing out on this shirt. The green is looking very nice. इसको blue करते तो वो छुप जाता. This green is standing out. It's looking really classy. Your single piece, all single pieces. You can quickly order 44. Medium लिखा है लेकिन 42, 44 you can carry this piece.
yeah
ये दिखाइए.
Gap is the brand medium Gap slim fit
And this is a Chinese collar.
comes to 42 Chinese collar है देखिए
Chinese collar, thin cotton, pin checks. Size क्या है? 42?
हम्म,
Yeah. 42. Just one piece. Yeah. Cotton
बनाना
shirt
रिपब्लिक लार्ज लिखा है पर ये 42 44 होगा
44 होगा क्योंकि ये बड़ा साइज है. These अगेन अमेरिकन एक्सपोर्ट, सो इसका लेंथ भी जो है, इसका लेंथ भी डिसेंट होगा. ये देखिए 31, 32 लेंथ है.
length 31 and half
The width is
और 44
yeah,
44
44.
44 is the width. Just single piece, you can quickly order
44
that.
width length 31 and half Ralph Lauren half large लिखा है classic fit comes to 46
44, 46, yeah.
46
This one piece.
plus
Can quickly
46 to
order.
48
Linen print shirt.
40 42 40 41 chest 40 को आएगा ये
40 को आना चाहिए.
एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल लिखा है
40. 39, 40. ये दिखाइए.
Size XL.
एक्सेल 46 को आएगा 44 46 सिंगल पॉकेट
Yeah. Yeah.
गैप
Now this fabric looks like linen cotton mix. It's nice fabric.
बिकॉज लिखा
And a
है
beautiful
लार्ज
Large.
बट इट कम्स टू 46
Half shirts, very nice shirts. You can quickly order.
H&M half नहीं गैप
This is Gap.
गैप अगेन
Gap. What's the size mentioned? No size is there, so we'll measure this for you.
इट कम्स टू 44 48 तक जाएगा ये
46.
46 to 48
46.
46 45 46
ये देखिए पीछे से प्लेन है स्ट्राइप
47, 48.
स्ट्राइप्स ऑल सिंगल आर्टिकल्स
Ralph
गिविंग यू द
Lauren.
मेजरमेंट ईच एंड एवरी मेजरमेंट ताकि आपके लिए आसान हो या आप क्विकली से ऑर्डर करें ये देखिए
ये भी 46 ही होगी.
इसका भी है 46
46.
लिखा क्या है लार्ज
Large.
कस्टम फिट ब्यूटीफुल पिंक
Low.
logo there पीछे से blue and white checks now in Hammond and Dale here we have a 3XL last time we had shown you
3XL. Get the 3XL.
3XL we give you a better
50,
price
48 plus.
it's a luxury brand.
XL
It's got
comes to
logo.
46,
and a large in this a large and a medium in this
44,
check
इसमें एक्सेल भी है.
42.
इसमें इसमें we got XL also mostly we got bigger
मीडियम लार्ज
sizes
एक्सेल सभी साइज है.
so in these colors
हरमटन ब्लेन ब्रांड है.
Timberland we have
Single
this
piece.
one single piece है और भी है
और भी है.
medium large XL in this color
लिनन
Yes.
cotton
कॉटन टिम्बरलैंड.
holiday shirt Zoop,
Zoop
beautiful
jeans.
print tropical print with these lovely coconut trees and all that and it's got a lovely label there again in euros over 100 euros for this article 130 euros so costly premium article है single piece है fabric is going to be very nice you can quickly order size 41 तक जाएगा वो
40 41 साइज
viewers,
है.
you can see this article this is a beautiful piece
सीके कैल्विन क्लाइन
fabric is very nice mercerized cotton
बाहर का ये भी यूएस का.
ये US का shipment है
मेड इन इंडिया एवर.
yeah
फैब्रिक इज नाइस.
so it's written in French there as well
Large
and
लिखा है
you
इस
can
पे तो.
see lovely labeling there large है fabric is really crazy thin and it's a US or European shipment इसमें tags भी होंगे हम आपको दिखाएंगे I think a large is it needs measurement quickly measure this for you a large is a 42 या 44 देख
44
पता चल
plus
जाएगा 46
46.
46 है
46
लार्ज.
large तो इसमें there's a lovely medium also
मीडियम
Yes.
कम्स टू
ये
44.
खोल के दिखाइए
कम्स टू 44. मीडियम
जल्दी खोलो पैकेट
और भी दिखा दो ऊपर. क्या साइज है?
मीडियम है
ये भी.
एक्सेल है.
एक्सेल भी है
एक्सेल कम्स टू 48 और
Size medium.
मीडियम
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 वी हैव अ मीडियम ये क्या है
मीडियम.
तो ये ब्लू है उस दैट वाज ऑल ग्रे दिस इज अ ब्लू and that's the tag we were wondering which country it's going yeah there $70 beautiful piece shipment pack condition so a medium is a 42 right 42
ना
And this?
44.
44 so it's a comfort fit shipment pack condition CK in this blue and grey print ये देखिए 44 इसमें क्या क्या है बताइए जल्दी से
43 को कंफर्टेबल रहेगा. मीडियम और एक्सेल 42 43 46
चलिए
48
दिखाइए अब ये सुपर ड्राई अराउंड
Super dry.
42
सुपर ड्राई.
Army print.
cameo
Large
a grey
comes to 42.
cameo it's got a lovely badge on the sleeve 42 हटाइए this is about a 41 40 41
मीडियम
बैज दिखाइए साइड पे
ये मैच देखो. Wedge.
सुपर ड्राई लोगो.
Back.
फ्रंट में भी है लेफ्ट साइड.
ओके
सुपर ड्राई.
lovely
dry.
white
Look at this style.
Two.
yeah you can see on
Wow,
ये
this
बहुत
is
अच्छे
beautiful
articles हैं
swag.
23 and it's got this lovely thread work embroidery and patchwork दोनों
Edge.
So this is the applique polo. It's called the applique polo. ठीक है. So this is a nice T-shirt. Again, I think size 40.
40
This is a large.
40
This looks like 42, 44. है ना?
मेजर करना है इसको.
And it's got this lovely number 1 on the sleeve. So these are all applique work polos. ये थोड़े से costly होते हैं regular polos से. Quickly measure this for you. It looks like a 42 plus
44
44. Yeah.
नीचे सब में कट मिलेगा आपको. ब्यूटीफुल. अंदर से स्वेट फिनिशिंग.
ये देखिए.
लार्ज
Lovely orange
42 to
Thread
44
work.
super dry large. Beautiful piece.
applique work. It's got a lovely embroidery there, super dry. Size 41 है ना?
Front
41, 42?
Okay.
Okay, this is 2XL. So this looks like a 44, 46.
46.
Yeah. And it's got the number 8 on the sleeve. Look at the
Eight.
work. Lovely work.
मिनिमम
Okay.
46 है ये.
It's got that Japanese thing written there.
ये
The
देखो.
characters.
बाहर की शिपमेंट है. ये से भी बैक वाली साइड
लंबी है ना?
लंबी है फ्रंट से.
Wash care वगैरह
सभी
सब
में
impact आपको
इसमें
मिलेगा।
नहीं
ये
सभी
देखिए,
में ही है
wash care.
सफा.
Beautiful, you know, this authentic. So it's got that orange,
कीप अवे फ्रॉम
Lining.
फायर.
and there you go. So all very nice articles. Single pieces. You can quickly order.
ब्रांड यू नो वेरी वेल सुपर ड्राई. ब्रेवली हिल्स.
Beverly Hills Polo Club. BHPC. Ship and pack
ब्रेवली हिल्स
condition.
पोलो क्लब.
Sizes
Beautiful.
बताते रहिए.
स्पोर्ट लुक एट दिस. 100% ओरिजिनल है. इसमें कुछ नहीं है कॉपी वगैरह.
Okay. हटाइए. Sizes बताते रहिए बस.
काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस में मिलेगी आपको.
Medium.
ये देखिए, lovely piece. Multicolor polo. It's like a rugby t-shirt. So rugby t-shirt, viewers, ये जो white होता है, that's a rugby t-shirt. See, it's got blue at the back, so that it's a rugby t-shirt. Yeah, and lovely work on it. Okay, so there's a green.
Green.
स्मॉल लिखा है. 40 को आएगी.
Size बताते रहिए.
40 चेस्ट को आएगी.
There's a lovely cream.
ये भी 40 चेस्ट को आएगी.
40?
Small है.
Yeah. Okay, here you can see on the tag, these are the countries, Australia and you know, various
Side medium.
Oman and various other countries this has gone to. So this is a lovely color there.
8 नंबर लकी नंबर. 82,
medium.
19.
Medium है?
Yes.
मीडियम कम्स
Yeah,
टू
so
42.
we're not going to measure that.
मीडियम कम्स टू 42.
So again, these are like exports. Because it's
Look at
the
this.
tag mentions the countries it's been exported to. That's a lovely work on it. Lovely
82.
style. You can see the work on it. Beautiful piece, multicolor.
Size medium.
1982. They're
So
matching
these
this
are the
one.
best of best pieces we've got for you, viewers. You can quickly
Hey,
order that.
look back side. Look at this. Bradley Hills
Outstanding
Polo Club.
pieces, I would say, clean, fresh, neat. This is also a nice piece. I don't think the size is mentioned, so हम लोग
California.
measure करके बता देते हैं. I think 40 होना चाहिए.
क्या
सीधा
लिखा है?
करिए.
40 है.
40 है?
Small,
19.
extra small होगा.
Yeah, 19 and a half. So
38,
40.
40. 38, 39 है, not 40. Less than 40.
Okay, ये दिखाइए. Another beautiful piece. ये देखिए.
मीडियम लिखा है 42. All with that logo behind it.
Full blue.
Full blue. Sporty look. Sport Polo Club.
Absolutely neat and clean, fresh pieces. No minors, no rejects, no used stuff. We're giving you all authentic
The
pieces.
medium था 40, 42.
Lovely olive green with orange.
Medium
lovely
42.
combination.
42.
In Bentley, we have this color in medium, and we've got this large XL.
Medium one.
Bentley, just
Extra small.
this
Extra
lovely
small.
brown. And
Medium.
This is a what?
Medium.
It's a big size. I think 42 plus.
Comes to 42.
Okay,
मतलब
Balmain,
38
we've
to
got,
42 है.
medium and large in this golden button polo.
Balm and Paris.
Yeah, and black also we've got. I think medium, large, and XL. Okay, Almond and Blaine.
Single
Same
piece.
Yeah, lovely piece. Check it out.
Big piece.
Polo.
Almond and Blaine. Almond and Blaine.
Yeah.
Regular
fit.
XL.
XL. So 44 plus. 44, 46.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we'll quickly. These are all shipment packages.
Armani
We are
Exchange.
going to show you fast. Size
Hackett
बताते रहिए.
London.
So lovely piping here. Work on the sleeve. This stripe.
Size large.
Armani भी आएगा. Hackett London. Large. 42. 44. Armani.
Armani Exchange. Lovely fabric. PK fabric. Which means it's got these
Size
holes.
Armani Exchange
and a lovely zip
Large.
there. You can see them all
Big
current
zip.
articles. Viewers,
with tag,
they come with this poly, the same poly.
made in India, origin in India.
Okay. MO articles we are showing you. So we'll quickly show you. Stuff बहुत है. इस बार बहुत अच्छा collection है, new collection. Shipment pack condition देखिए. 001.
Side medium.
Armani Exchange
Armani.
medium.
ये घुमाइए, इसके पीछे भी काम हो रखा है.
Yeah.
वो भी दिखाइए.
नहीं
001.
001.
Size क्या है अपन?
Medium.
Medium. So in the same article we've got a large also. Same thing, we've got a large.
Armani Exchange.
Yes.
लार्ज भी है.
Large and a medium. And now we've got. ये दिखाइए.
Michael
Michael
Kors,
Kors.
beautiful. Is MKM Michael Kors. Sleeve में Michael Kors. Button
Size medium.
medium 40.
40.
XL in Hugo Boss. Very
Hugo
nice
Boss,
fabric.
XL.
Very classy, black, all black.
46 को आएगा ये.
And it's got metal. Yeah, metal in that box.
Regular fit tag भी. Beautiful
XL.
black. XL comes to 46 now.
Excel.
Yeah, XL. Beautiful piece, metal logo. A navy blue in the same article. खोल के दिखाइए.
You have this beautiful boss metal logo collar देखिए. Work on the collar. Large comes to
Large.
44.
Okay. All over Armani Exchange. ये भी दिखाइए. Medium.
Open करो.
If you zoom in, you can see AX.
Funny packed.
Armani.
उधर देखा Armani Exchange. Armani.
What's the fabric? It's PK. Yeah, PK.
Beautiful.
Cotton PK.
PK stretched.
It's the finest
42 को आएगा ये.
cotton they use.
42 chest.
And in this is ये पहले भी दिखाया था same thing or it's a different one?
It's a little different.
Little different. It's got a brighter logo there, and the size is medium, which is
Medium.
40-41.
Medium. 41.
इसको डाल दीजिए.
Hackett London.
Oh, beautiful piece.
Look at this Hackett.
Lovely piece.
Large slim fit.
Slim fit, and look at the work at the back. Lovely olive green. This
Thank
is
With the collar.
matching with the collars. So the work here, it's got a rubber print there. And the size क्या है बताइए?
42 large.
Large.
आगे से दिखाइए एक बार और.
42 to 44.
So all shipment pack pieces. We are specially opening them right in front of you. Most of them are US and European shipments.
Michael
Michael.
Kors.
MK with the broad
XL 44.
with the broad
Excel.
Sleeve.
sleeves.
Sleeve.
Yeah. So XL is
Sleeve cut.
44-46.
Yes.
Broad
one
sleeve
piece.
cut. Fold. Michael Kors 46. 44 to 46.
Another beautiful piece दिखाइए.
Again XL 44 to 46. Michael Kors embroidery. They are matching this. Beautiful
Size
black.
Excel.
Okay, medium. We've shown you viewers on this medium and large. Again, okay, Carl Lagerfeld दिखाइए.
Karl Lagerfeld.
Size
Karl Lagerfeld. The brand. Look at this. With this girl. Double XL.
Double Excel.
46.
46.
the single piece.
तुमको है रिपीट कर रहे हो
Single
बाबा.
piece.
46.
Sleeve दिखा दिया.
Very thin fabric.
Thin fabric and lovely work on the sleeve. And the best
Beautiful
part
thin
is the
fabric.
work over here, right in front. Viewers, you can see short collars, beautiful work and right in front, thin
Tags, yeah.
fabric, and very classy piece. Double XL, which is a 46 plus, so classy piece. Authentic, 100% European shipment.
This is Hackett London.
This is Hackett.
Size medium है?
Size medium.
41, 42. पीछे भी दिखाओ इसका काम.
Size medium.
Here पीछे logo.
This logo. Aston Martin.
Kawali
41,
class,
42.
Roberto Kawali. Size medium.
Kawali class.
41,
Eastern
42.
son of Roberto Kawali. Golden.
And
Size
Medium.
medium.
Aston Martin. Beautiful.
40. 40,
Size medium.
42. Aston Martin is the brand.
Okay, now we are showing you some round necks,
Back plane as
crew
well.
necks,
Max.
extra large, shipment pack condition.
Ralph Lauren brand.
Royal Polo, you can see the logo right at the bottom. There you go. That's the logo there.
Yeah, this
So
is the
beautiful
logo.
print in front. The big pony, and that's the wash
Wash
cap.
cap.
So lovely big pony there, very thin fabric,
XL size.
and very classy pony there, right there in between. Size 44.
Yes.
Yeah. This is, look at this beautiful Roboto Kawali luxury.
Lovely, lovely, beautiful bright print.
Mm.
Size XL, all 44
Size
plus.
XL.
42, 44.
Oh, beautiful fabric.
Okay, another polo.
44 is how
Black on black, very nice, sexy.
44 plus.
Very classy. Again, shipment pack condition. You can see the label and logos.
Black color.
Okay, viewers, we'll quickly show you this European brand, PME Legend.
PME Legend.
Very thin fabric.
Large.
Large.
Yeah. तो size बताते रहिए बस
ये-
design और print दिखाते रहो. Okay, this is extra large, very thin fabric, neat and clean, 2024 shipment
XL.
to Europe.
44 plus. Aviator. Yummy Legend. Beautiful fabric.
सारा 24 के articles हैं, European shipment. देख लीजिए.
Wow, what the color.
Beautiful
Very
color.
nice.
Lovely, neat and clean, fresh pieces. इसमें कोई भी crushed नहीं है.
44 है ये सारे.
Neat and clean, new stuff.
New. New collection.
Large है. Comes to 44. Beautiful logo. ये again
Lovely
44
medium.
plus. आएगा 44 को ये भी. Beautiful logo. Rubber logo.
Okay. A double XL. आगे पीछे दिखाइए.
46 to 48 आएगा ये. Look at this logo.
Now lots of viewers ask for back print. इसमें back print है.
Print.
So this is very unique
Double XL.
and rare, and this is a semi-luxury brand. So fabric is going to be nice.
Freedom Unlimited. Oh,
Okay. Flying Legend.
PME Legend, American Classic, double
Size
XL,
double
48.
Double XL.
48 chest
Beautiful
again.
olive green.
Green.
The concept is flying, so
Rubber है.
it's all Flying Legend. PME
46 to
Legend,
48.
Everything.
छोटा साइज
This
कोई
is
आने
छोटा
वाला है.
size मिल गया. Small.
Small.
Comes to 40.
ये लीजिए एक और छोटा size medium.
Medium.
Medium comes to 42.
और इस beautiful green में
46.
XL.
46 chest.
shipment pack condition. Polo. Ralph Lauren. Lovely thin fabric. Medium, which is 40.
40.
Okay, viewers, this is a good surprise. It's going to be a good surprise for you. Lovely t-shirt, Fred Perry,
Brand.
brand neck, a contrast collar and sleeves. The rib on the sleeves and the collar will match. And it's again a European shipment. You can see.
Size
logo.
medium.
And a lovely logo there. Sizes bata.
Size medium.
Thin fabric.
Thin fabric.
Medium. 40. 41.
40. ये देखिए,
Black.
black size बताइए. Lovely black and white combination.
Size large.
Large. 42 plus.
ये क्या है बताइए.
Size medium.
42. वो आएगा ये.
Small.
Comes to 40.
38.
38 to 40.
Another small.
38 to 40.
Small.
In
मैं
beautiful
आपको
olive
दिखा
green
दिया ना
color.
viewers को. This is part of bettercotton.org, which is finest cotton in the world, and shipment pack condition. So all shipment pack condition these t-shirts.
Finest cotton in the world है. लग रही है.
ये देखिए.
Size XL.
XL,
44
olive
plus.
green, a medium,
Medium.
42.
again medium,
42.
and a large.
44.
Okay, viewers, a different brand now, different label.
DKNY.
Yes.
Medium comes to 42. Last में भी DKNY का logo.
Work
Embroidery
there.
है. Medium
And
made in
here,
India.
that's the pricing here. You can zoom in. Pricing about 40.
Yeah,
$40.
39.50.
$40.
Dollars.
Lovely fabric. Very nice fabric they've used. That's where it's going to which store in America वो वहाँ का tag है ये देखिए.
DKNY.
So in India they are much more costlier because it's a luxury brand. Small.
Small.
Small comes to 40. ऐसे पकड़ो पवन.
Yes. ये लो.
Yeah.
Large.
Large.
44.
4.
Medium.
42. Single color है ये with beautiful color and logo.
It's easy stretch.
Large DKNY.
Large. DKNY.
Okay, like they say again, once again, leave the best for the last. So we're just showing you these articles. ये दिखा दीजिए
Circle.
Shorts.
And
Beautiful shorts. Brand. बचा के रखे हैं लास्ट के लिए जो एंड के लिए.
Size large.
Look at this best. Size large comes to 34 plus
ये देख.
waist. Look at this. अभी जानते होंगे इस ब्रांड को.
It's the double F from
Fendi.
Fendi. Double F. You just have to Google it. It's a very luxury article. Almost 300 to 400 pounds or euros में मिलते हैं ये. A lot of work, lovely work on it. The double F.
Size large लिखा है.
Fendi T-shirt you can Google.
42 to 44.
And
Beautiful
we'll
black
show
color.
you in the caption. So these are really nice. We'll measure them for you because बहुत ही luxury articles हैं. Just single pieces. You quickly order them. 21, which is a 42.
Perfect. 42 large.
42. Those are the labels and tags all intact. You can see.
Fendi
This
is the
has
brand.
come off, but that's a minor thing. Otherwise, everything is intact. You can see that. So the double F series from Fendi. One is a 42 and the other seems like a 44, 46.
Look at this.
We'll measure for you.
And
The
made
double
in
F,
India.
Lovely
Double
fabric.
XL.
Fabric. The lovely
46.
work on this. The double F.
46 is the chest.
Yeah, this is. Yeah. 48 is the total measurement for this. Can be one little loose. 46 can also carry this. So इनको ये सी bags में
क्या दिस सुपर ड्राइज थी आपके लिए.
Super
समर
dry
आर्टिकल्स
thin
आया.
sleeveless vests.
Size large.
सैंडो की तरह पहन सकते हो आप इसको.
Sando.
ब्यूटीफुल.
So they're beautiful pieces.
Thin.
ये देखिए. Lovely bright, thin cotton, stretchable, and it's the lightweight vest from Superdry.
Super.
Comes in this box. We'll quickly show you the articles. ये भी article है. ये दिखाइए कौन? ये भी large है.
ये भी large.
फॉर दिस
ये large.
लाइट वेट वेस्ट. कौन सी सीन है? ओसाका सीरीज सुपर ड्राई. ब्यूटीफुल थिन फैब्रिक.
So lovely fabric there. Very thin.
सभी साइजेस इसमें.
So, ये large है फिर से.
Large.
इसमें sizes हैं. We've shown you the articles. This is a medium. So
Yeah.
आपको prints भी हमने दिखा दिया. You can quickly order. And we're showing you another art. I think basically ये 4 article 5 article हैं. इसमें भी मिल जाएंगे. This is a lovely article.
मीडियम आ गया. 40
There must be an XL also.
40 चेस्ट.
A lovely maroon.
अब सबको मिल जाएगा. देखिए ऐसे बैक
Basically
बॉक्स
वही
में
article
सभी यही कलर है, यही स्टाइल सब में. और
कुछ
ब्लैक.
white भी मिल जाएगा. ये दिखाइए white.
ये white.
ये black भी दिखा देते हैं आपको.
ब्यूटीफुल वाइट.
देखिए we got a black also. Size बताते रहिए. Size क्या है?
लार्ज.
Large.
एक्सेल.
XL.
दिस वन इज एक्सेल.
So all
White
of them
वाला
are
large
really
और
nice
ये
and
XL.
sexy. Very nice for the
एक्सेल
heat.
दिखा. ये
ये
वाला
देखिए large.
ये XL.
लार्ज एक्सेल दोनों है.
So we've shown you all the articles, the pink and the maroon. We've got a lot of pieces. So you can quickly order these. Sizes medium to large, XL तक हैं ये.
अब न्यू बैलेंस सॉक्सेस.
ये socks दिखा दीजिए. ये 3 के पैक है. Very nice and European shipment again.
सेट ऑफ 3 है.
3.
6 पेयर.
Yeah.
3
Set
पेयर
of
है.
three.
6 पीस
Set
है.
of 3. You can get grey color. You can get black and a white.
White.
ये तीनों लगा के दिखा दीजिए. Unisex socks. और एक ये. So nice European shipment. You can stretch and see the logo right there. These are ankle. Beautiful. This is here from the rib, and there it's at the bottom below the rib. So different articles, 3 का pack है. You get a good price. Thank you very much for watching the video. It's a little lengthy video. We tried the reason why it's a little lengthy because we take the effort to do the measurements ताकि आप भी ना परेशान हो ना हम we really don't want to get any returns back. So इसलिए हम measurement वगैरह आपको दिखाते हैं. The rejection, जैसे मैंने कहा rejection used वगैरह हम बिल्कुल नहीं believe करते हैं इन चीज़ों में. And we've got regular customers who keep coming back to us and we thank them a lot. And we're expecting lots of new customers to also join in because the kind of stuff we give you is very unique and rare. And thank you very much for watching the video. Do subscribe and like the channel. And for any queries, you've got 2 numbers flashed there. You can send us your queries.
थैंक यू.
Thank you.
ये देखिए ढेर लगा
चलो.
हुआ है.
चलो
हो गया?